A significant number of ZANU-PF supporters, including a former councillor, reportedly voted in Mozambique's general elections on Saturday, raising concerns about the credibility of the results, which currently favor the ruling Frelimo party candidate Daniel Chapo. Senda mashoko ayo ari shocking. Vanhu vachiona mapictures seamuri kuona video njoona ayo vanhu vatori heading kuMozambique polling stations kuti bo subscribe like or turn on the bell like TV manzini emudanyora chiti. The issue was first reported by the Mirror of Masvingo and discussed doubt on the legitimacy of the election outcome. Frelimo, Mozambique's Liberation Party, has long maintained strong ties with the ZANU-PF, which used Mozambique as a base during Zimbabwe's struggle for independence. Voters from Masvingo, Chikutu, Mutare, and Harare are alleged to have cast ballots in Mozambique, with the claims that similar incidents of electoral fraud occurred across the country. Although the official results are still pending, early reports indicate that Chapo faced strong competition from former Renamo member Valencio Mondlane, who has garnered significant support from the youth. Surprisingly, former ZANU-PF councillor Edson Manyawi openly boasted on camera about voting for Frelimo despite the illegality of the act. Ndomasvika vanoshamisa vanhu vachiona kuti aya vakomana kuti regime they took part kuma elections ekuMozambique. Vanhu vari kuona kuti aiwa zvinhu zvisingatendeki, zvinhu zvisingabvumirwi, zvinonyatsoratidza kuti hapana kana transparency, hapana credibility, uye ingori nawo yekungoriga. Tiona nyika yeZimbabwe ichiteka elite panhau dzekuriga nekuda kweinfluence yaita kumaMozambican elections. Tombotiudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chashamisa vanhu. Pinda comment section medu semafungiro enyu. Musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.